country. This Bharat Darshan enabled us not only to see India, but to feel India, to breathe India. On the academic side, classes were held on all subjects and matters that would come handy while executing the duties and responsibilities of an IAS officer. We were then sent out for nearly a year-long district training, whereby we got an opportunity to learn from the best collectors in the country, those people who were actually making a difference at the ground level. District training was succeeded by phase 2 training, where we were made to share our varied experience of working in the field from across the country, so that we learned the best practices of governance in India and also to learn from each other. Phase 2 towards the end had a week-long foreign study tour to help us understand the governance models followed elsewhere. When I had joined the service 2 years ago, I did not have much idea on what it really means to be an IAS officer and how an IAS officer could fulfill his or her responsibilities to meet the expectations of this great nation. This training, this 2-year-long affair, has taught me and my batchmates to channelize our energies in the right direction, to become individuals who would impart their duties with utmost integrity, devotion, professionalism to solve the troubles of the last man. To conclude, I would like to quote a few lines from the Academy song of the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, which echoes in the hearts and mind of all of us, which we all 176 officers have pledged to live by, what this training has really taught us. Raho dharm mein dheer, raho karm mein veer, rakho unnat sheer, daro na. Be firm in your faith, be courageous in action, keep your head erect, fear not. Thank you.
Honorable President Sir, a very good morning. I am Dr. R. Vaidyanathan and I hail from Pondicherry. I belong to 2016 batch IAS of Tamil Nadu cadre. I completed my undergraduation from Pondicherry University in medicine. I worked as a residential medical officer in Delhi for 3.5 years. I completed my district training in Salem district, which is known for its industries and mangoes. During the period in district, I had an opportunity to gain exposure in diverse sectors such as public health, sanitation, urban planning and law and order. I also had an experience to interact with the people in the district. These interactions helped me to understand their hardships and problems. On the other hand, various attachment of the different departments in the district enabled me to understand the constraints and challenges on the administrative side. This facilitated me to gain a new perspective of looking at issues. I believe it will help me in better service delivery